about Eva Marcille and her ex, Kevin McCall. Now, when Eva first came on Real Housewives of Atlanta, Marlo Hampton, which is what her role is, stir up stuff, was given information by Eva's bridesmaid, which Eva should kick her out of her friendship circle completely, because if you're not for her and you show who you are and that you're not a friend, then she should never be in the circle again. But and the fact that she's saying that Eva don't own her own house, Eva homeless, and Eva saying that she moved from house to house and give her reasons. And what did she say? Her baby daddy, Kevin McCall, is crazy. She said that. Nobody believes her. You want to say this, you want to say that. But Eva is not going to act a plum fool, but that's going to be her storyline as she become more and more present on Real Housewives of Atlanta. Now she done had her baby, she done had her marriage and all of that. She said Kevin McCall was crazy. But people tend to wanna believe women are keeping the baby from a man because this and that, or she keep moving and she had a restraining. Now you see why she had a restraining order on him. What did this man do? She gives the child her husband's last name. He got a problem, so he goes to court to file for joint custody or whatever. Now, while he's in court, he wants to record in the courtroom. He knows better than that. Now, you couldn't take a cell phone in the courtroom. Well, you could take it in the courtroom, but it had to be off, so it couldn't ring. So one lady phone rang. She got charged $75. Mine didn't ring. I had mine on vibrate. So it vibrated, and I got charged $75. But my phone was, you didn't have to turn it off, but you just make sure it didn't ring. So I was mad. I'm like, my phone didn't ring. Just because something vibrate, you will come over there and charge me. I was mad. My husband paid $75. I wasn't even getting, but then the look I gave these people was crazy. People look at me like, she don't play. Exactly, I don't like y'all. But anyway, and the fact, I didn't like the fact that the courtroom was packed full of black people in there for not paying their water bill, which to me was outrageous. If they was either in there because some dog issue, but it was majority because they couldn't pay the water bill. And that's why I made sure I move out into the suburbs, because I don't got time for these water bills. Your water bill goes up crazy high. You got to leak water crazy high. You're doing everything to keep your water down. So your water down, all of a sudden your water crazy high. You know you don't owe that, but you can't argue with the people, because all that do is get you nowhere. So the first chance I got, I spent 2 weeks looking for some place that don't have they have well water, don't have city water, and according to the area, if they get city water, it'll be some years before they do. That's how I choose where I live now. 21 years later, there's no talk of bringing no city water out here yet. I'd rather deal with well water any day. But anyway, with all that said, I digress. This man goes in the courtroom. Now that, yes, even though now that we can bring phones in, but we can bring phones in, we gotta make sure they don't ring, and we can actually get on Facebook, talk on the phone, text, whatever, in the courtroom now. Go tell. Because I took my iPad and everything, and they said I couldn't. I was like, okay, this I can take my iPad. I had my iPad in there. After they stopped that craziness, put the time over, they still got that crazy. They got all kind of craziness. You gotta leave the phone in a car, or you got an emergency. But anyway, with all that said, this man goes in the courtroom, video recording in the courtroom on his cell phone. He's told by a court officer or whatever he can't record. He's arguing with the man. He cannot record in the courtroom. He's arguing with the man. So he goes in and leave or whatever he's doing. He's running off his mouth. He's telling him about the recording. He running his mouth. He's cussing the man out. He's saying all kind of crazy stuff. Just like Marcille said. He is crazy. This man is crazy. And you expect Marcille to stay with this crazy man? But anyway, he gets to the point where he's not going to listen. He bring up the black card thing. He said, well, you a brother, this and that. Man, tell him, don't pull that race card with him. Don't pull that race card with him. Now he gets even madder. What does he do? So he calls another security person. He is carrying on with this one. End up wrestling with the man, falls down the escalator according to window. One say stairs, one say this will be a pretty big courtroom if you have an escalator, because all courtrooms I know they got stairs. But stairs, escalator, they fall down the escalator fighting, which makes absolutely no sense. Why you fight a security guard? He gets arrested. 5 charges. 1 felony charge, 4 misdemeanor charge. Crazy. He's in jail. So what did he do? Prove Marcille was right. The man is crazy. People love to blame a black woman and not believe her when she says a particular person, before you cut off, before a particular, whether believe the black woman is the problem and the man is just the victim. This man proves that he's crazy. Now she's married to she's been dating Mike Sterling. Now they're moving from different places, so now they're still in the process of finding her dream house. She don't have to be in a rush to find a house for nobody. She can rent, stay in an Airbnb or whatever she wants until she finds the house that she wants. The same way Portia found her house. The same way Toya on Marital Medicine found her house, even though the first house she kind of got caught up with her second house. She found out to take her time because she wants what she wants. Now, what if she didn't have a restraining order, and every time he find out where they live, he comes around and him and Mike Sterling get into a tussle and falling downstairs fighting? Nobody wants to be, besides Mike Sterling is a lawyer, so he's not even going to, well, I don't think he want to be wrestling and fighting and falling down escalators with a lawyer. But anyway, nobody want to be bothered with that foolishness. So Eva do what she needed to do. But you got Marlo and this fake friend that was her bridesmaid decided to put that story out there and spin a narrative that wasn't true. Even her fake friend that was even her bridesmaid, even she knows what kind of man Kevin McCall is. And just because he is fine, looking good, like how Wendy was saying, none of that matters. The fact is, he's not good for Eva Marcille and her baby. She's not good for the little girl. There's a reason mothers got to do what they got to do to protect their children, even if that means taking those paternity rights and giving it to the man that's a husband, want to be a husband and a father to the child and whatever. And the reason I'm saying that, because my daughter, 30, same situations. Nobody got time for crazy baby daddies and other people acting like the black mother is the problem. And don't want to hear that what this man is doing is not good. According to a spiritual situation, there are this term called twin flames. Twin flames is anybody that you get in a relationship with, being to the boyfriend or husband or wife or whatever. anybody, it could be family members or it could be whatever. You encounter this person and they gaslight you, they push your buttons, they throw trigger words, and all y'all do is fight. It's chaotic, it's explosive. If people cause that kind of chaos in your life and you come together, then that person is your twin flame. And once they become abusive emotionally, physically, whatever, then it's time for you to disengage, cut relationship with them. And that is what Eva did. And that is what my daughter did. It was the best interest of the child that the child not be in connection with someone that just person trying to talk to you, and you just goes off like crazy and gets in a fight with somebody in the courtroom. Okay. Nobody got time for that. But anyway, that's it for the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.